Hey guys, it's me, the Tiger from the Tiger Gang. And so I am here to show you guys an update of the puppies. They're 3 weeks oldish, and I'm just gonna take one out real quick to show you. Okay. Here's one. Oh, look at his little face. Oh, look at that cute little face. Oh, I'm gonna say no to you. Cutie. So, I think this one is a boy, a male. And I think I told you guys in the last video that there are 6 boys and 2 females. And yeah, he's one of our little big boys. That sounded weird. Little big boy. No. He's one of our big boys. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how fat he is. Oh, look at that little tummy wummy. Oh, look at that little tummy wummy. Look at that little face. You smell nice. You smell like perfume. Okay, let's put you aside. And I think this next one is also a boy. He's another fat one. I think I only have 2 fat ones. This is the second one. Look at that little face. Aww. Hey, buddy. You actually smell like perfume. You're nice and clean. Uh-oh. Someone pushed over the camera. Uh-oh. I can't see my face anymore. There you go. Okay, come here. Come here. Okay. This is another boy. So far we have 2 little boys. 3 little boys. Look at that little face right there. That cute little face. Aww. Aren't you just most adorablest thing ever? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, big yawn. Oh. 3 little boys. Oh, let me show you the pattern of each one. This is our first one. He has a little brown head. This is our second one. He looks like a little panda. A little black nose. And then all the little spots out of here. And then at the back, he has nice, thick, fluffy fur. Nice, thick, fluffy fur. And look at that. Oh, look at your little tail. And this is the next one. He also kind of looks like a little panda boy. Oh, you got a little food on your face. Clean it up. Yeah. Oh, look at that little face. Poof. Your little boy. Let's show them your patterning. Nice thick fur. A little tail. A white tail. This one. Come here. Oh, it's okay. Wow. He's a little boy. And he's actually my favorite one. Oh, you're just a favorite. Yeah. He's a little pattern boy. A little nice fur here. Got a couple spots here and there. And then he has a little tail. Oh, of course he has a tail. He's a puppy. He actually smells nice too. Oh. And then let's grab this one. Mystery. You are a little girl. This is a little girl. First little girl. We have about 3 more left. Another one of our little favorites. Oh, look at that little face. She is a black one. The other one's a brown one. And she's just a little mastermind. And yeah. Here's the next one. I believe this is a little girl. Yep, another little girl. She's the brown one I was talking about. She has a brown, nice, thick brown coat. And a little tail. And little face. Oh, another one's want to join the party. She's a little cute one. You're a keeper. And here's the 2 more boys are left. This is another one. Little cute boy. Oh, look at that little face. He also has a little spot. Oh no, he doesn't want to be like that. Let me just pick up the camera. There's a little spot right there on his head. It looks like a little tear. Oh. Yeah, little cutie pie. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, and here's his patterning, or whatever it's called. Little teal. He has a little bit of spots there. And then the rest of his coat is mostly white. And then here is my favorite, all-time favorite little boy. He is a little panda, except he only has 1 spot right here and 1 right here. And another one right here. But the rest is completely white. And look at his little face. Adorable. Let's lift the camera up a little bit. Okay. And yeah. Let me bring him in. Bye guys. Puppy lick.